Hello everyone. Welcome to Chef Nico's kitchen. Baked cheese ravioli in Béchamel sauce. Subscribe to this channel and discover many new weekly video recipes. For ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this recipe with a simple Béchamel sauce. In a large saucepan over low heat, add and melt the butter. Add flour and whisk into the melted butter until smooth. Cook and stir until flour turns a light golden sandy color, about 3 to 4 minutes. Increase heat to medium-high, and slowly whisk and milk until combined. Bring to a simmer, whisking constantly to avoid lumps forming. Season with salt, pepper, nutmeg, and a dried bay leaf. Let simmer, and stir until the mixture is thickened enough to coat the back of a spoon, about 10 minutes. Once ready, remove the Béchamel sauce from the heat, and if there are lumps, pass it through a strainer. Set aside for later. Continuing, bring a large pot half full of water to a boil. Once boiling, add a little salt in the ravioli, let boil until cooked through. Check the cooking instructions on the package for the recommended cook time. Cook the ravioli 3 minutes less than the time indicated on the package, so to avoid overcooked during baking in the oven. Once the ravioli are cooked, drain and let cool under cold running water. Or, shock them in ice water, and then drain. Spread 1 cup, 2 to 3 ladles, of Béchamel sauce to cover the surface of a 9 by 13 inch of a baking casserole dish. Arrange the ravioli in the dish overlapping slightly. Or, add a second layer of ravioli if necessary. Top generously with Béchamel sauce, 1 cup mozzarella, and a 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius without foil for 20 minutes. Or until the mozzarella has melted and is bubbly and lightly golden. Watch it closely, so not to burn the surface of the cheese. After about 20 minutes, your oven-baked ravioli are ready to be served. If you find this video to your liking, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.